Hello guys, so we're back. Today is February 23, 2000, 2021. So we have a job here. So this is a printer L360. So you know the problem with this. So you know it was being attacked by Iraq. So just like that being you know said by the customer. So this is what happened to here. So we have the flex cable. So really, it's really nasty. And same with the ruler. So this is what happened. Everything, then even the rubber. So this is a rubber belt or the timing belt. So really, really damaged by the rats. I don't know what happened to them. Anyway, so we will replace that with a new one, a new set. So we have here. So this is what we are going to replace into that damaged part of the printer. So the first thing that we need to do is disassemble this. So gusto ko sana mag-Tagalog pero maybe because I have a viewer into the other country. So that's why I will use the international language. Maybe paminsan-minsan nagagamit tayo ng Tagalog or ng Filipino language para maintindihan din naman ng mga contact natin dyan. So, yung una, so the first thing that we need to do is to replace the screw there. Then from that, we need to remove the screw here. So we are now performing a disassemble process of this printer. So this is an Epson L360. Okay. Then we have the screw here. So we need to replace those screws for us to be able to, remove this cover or you remove this cap here. Then this is another here, so we need to remove it. Okay. And we need to remove the flex cable here, which is connected to the cap here. Okay. So I hope that that's the only thing, or that's the only problem with this. But I think I saw something really bad here. It's really bad, what happened to this. Oh, that's what happened. So we really need to disassemble this part. We need to remove this part so that we can replace the flex cable, which is connected to the sensor. And you can say lock on the lower part of the printer, so we need to unlock it so that we can remove that. Then it has a dirt here. So I think this is a dirt made by rats here. Okay. This is something like really bad. Indeed. This I smelling bad. Bad odor here. Smell is very There is button as well. Let's remove this one. So this is the cover from the that is from the box and the screw here. So this one is the one who holds the copier and push it there. Just put it there. And we need to remove this one. Okay. From that, we really need to remove this cover. So we need a little set of screw, Phillips screw here, that we can able to remove this one. Just put it there. And this one, we need to remove this one, and also the those cartridges. And that is the trunk. Then let's remove this. So it is very easy to disassemble this one, but then you need to put it in your mind that what you remove first is the last thing that you are going to put it back on the line, you know. So that's the proper part here. So that's what you need to do. What you remove first is the last thing that you are going to put back into the printer. Okay, so from that, so we need to, okay, so remove this one, this part, so this is the one who holds the what you call it, that is a part of paper kilo, something. And let's remove this one because this is the one who really, you know, being attacked by rats. Maybe that the rat is, you know, hungry, or maybe it has something to the owner of this printer, so that's why this what happened to this, you know. I don't know, and I don't want to talk about it. Then we will remove this one, so we need to push it out, then remove this, and so we need the tweezer. So where is my tweezer? I'm looking for my tweezer. I know that I use my tweezer. Come on, where are you, my tweezer? Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where are my tweezer? I think I misplaced my tweezer, so I will look for another tweezer here. I have many tweezer here. Yeah. So we will remove the spring into this part. So this spring is the one who push the this one, which is, wow. So I think we have a problem here. So the one that holds metals here, so it has been lost. So maybe it's really here. I don't know. So I hope you can find it. Metal. So that would the one that holds this one. So we lost it. You know, maybe because of the rust. I don't know. Then let us remove this one. So we need to remove this things. Here, remove this one. And from the sensor, remove that. Then this one. Or maybe we don't need to remove it. I think so. So maybe we just remove this one. So this is the screw for the dynamo. So hindi na natin kailangan pahirapan pa yung sarili natin. Ano? Pwede naman natin iangat ito. Then doon na natin gawin yung dapat natin gawin. So then we have a screw here. So let us remove that screw. Okay, so that's it. And we will remove this one. Okay, so from that we can now remove this by doing like this. So that's very easy, you know. So as easy as that. So we need to replace the timing belt. So this is the timing belt. So we need to remove the timing belt, which is really broken, you know, then replace it with a new one or a brand new one. So this is a very brand new. I have been already, I have been ordered this online. So that is maybe that is from Jakarta. You know? So that is a 10 pieces. Then it looks like, a very good one. So actually, nag-order kasi ako nito sa National Capital Region. Alam mo yung problema? Mas mahal na nga sa kanila. Ang problema pa doon, yung may mga kaunti na lang mapuputol na. So, yun yung problema doon. So, that's why hindi na ako umalit sa kanila. So, I look for a better supplier for this. Then, I found that supplier online. So, that's it. I have here many. So, that is so that's my supply there. So I hope you can see it. So yung una, nag-order muna ako ng mga parts. Then medyo natatagalan, 2 weeks, 3 weeks bago ko maayos yung printer. Pero ngayon nagtataka na sila ba't ang bilis daw. Sabi ko kasi meron na akong mga stock. Then mas mura siya kumpara sa paisa-isa. So yun, makamura na din yung customer natin. Okay, so this time, we need to put this one. So this is a flex cable which is connected into the sensor. So this is the sensor for this ruler. Sensor for this ruler. Okay. So we need to put this one on this part. Then before we do that, so let's remove this para hindi tayo mahirapan sa paglagay. So minsan kasi yun yung nakakapatagal sa atin. Pinipilit natin yung bagay na hindi naman pwede. Right there. And Let us put this one here. Thus, we have the problem now. Okay, so it's okay. Maybe. So that's not really a problem. So, lagay na natin siya dito. Ganon. Okay. Ibalik na natin siya dito. So, ganito. Yan. Okay. Kasi, so kung wala ito, o kung sira na itong sensor na to, so ang mangyayari niyan, bilis na ng galaw niyan, then error na yung flag. So, ito yung problema. Ano? So, sinesense niya kasi yung ruler natin. So, yun yung pinakang function. So, take note, lahat ng mga parte na nandito sa printer, so lahat yan importante. So, hindi naman yan ilalagay dyan kung wala yan function. Ano? Yeah, come on. Okay guys, so yan. So, yun na yun. At gano'n na yun. So, pagbabalik naman ito, so yung ano natin, ito, ano, so yung rubber natin, or I mean timing belt natin, kailangan natin siyang hawakan din. Ganito yung gagawin natin. Ayan. Hawakan natin dito para hindi tayo mahirapan. So, yan. Ayan. Then, balik na natin siya. Yung iba nga, tinatali nga yan. Tinatali yan para hindi na siya makawala. Okay. So, let's put this one here. So, ito, nung una nahihirapan ako magbalik dito, pero after daily trials, so yeah, nakuha ko na yung technique niya, then yun, ganun na yung kalagay niya. So, titingnan mo lang naman yun. Kailangan mo lang naman i-inspect, tingnan kung paano gawin, then yun, okay na yan. Then, from that, para hindi na siya gumalaw pa, so lagyan na natin yung screw dito. Balik na natin yung screw dito. So, yung screw sa parte na. So, no need na natanggalin natin, babaklasin natin yun. Yun na. Tatanggalin lang tayo. So, maybe, napunta dito yung parte yun. Kasi na ba yun? So, even it was been damaged, you know. So, for us to be able to return back here, so we need to check everything. Let us make sure that it is really on the place where it is located. We need to secure everything here before we put it back. Before we put back those, those connections there. And this one is maybe, yeah. So, ibalik ko natin yung screw ng dynamo. So, dynamo here. So, in this case, so hindi pa natin pwede siyang i-plug in. Kagaya ng putol na yung mga wires niya. I mean, yung flex cable, yung rubber. So, hindi natin yung kailangan i-turn on. Because mangyayari nun, kakalaw yun. So, ganun yung mangyayari. Ano. Then, pwedeng maging, imbis na hindi na madagdagan yung problema, nadagdagan pa. So we need to really very careful if this is the scenario, you know, this is the case of, if this is what we are, kind of what kind of scenario is that? So that is what we need to do, you know. So that's the thing, really the thing that we really need to do. And I'm still looking for a little part. So that is a single metal, I think. Then I cannot find it, you know. So maybe it was been lost or wasted. So then we can do something like this. So totally wala talaga siya. Wala talaga siya. So we really need to look for a replacement for that. Or maybe it was dropped here because I already do that kind of things here. Maybe it was here. Yeah. Still searching, looking for it. And I can't find it. Okay, we'll just replace it. So let's look, find another. Let's find. That is very important. Really important, you know. I think I have that here. So why I cannot find you. I know that I have that here, so because I have here this one. Really trying to find it. Maybe we could create another one. Okay, so just create. Just use this one. So let's do that. Look to it. We're just wasting our time. Yes. We are really wasting time. Ah? Pina na. Mayo, tano. Tano, ikaw nagluwas? Tayo naglo-load. Tayo naglo-load. SD yan, SD. So this is an improvised, cut it there. Okay. Medyo sobra pa, sa bawasan natin siya. Konti-konti. Sobra pa. Okay, so I think that's it. So, iba talaga yung Pinoy, sa nagagawa talaga ng paraan. So, gumagawa ng paraan. Okay, so I think that's it. So, we need to align this one. What happened to you? So, let's put this one here. Like that. And from that, we need to put this screen here. And the tweezer. It's really hard to practice breathing. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, so that's how we use our mind. Just need to widen our mind and do some improvised things, Okay, so let's put this one here. So kailangan nating silipin yun sa loob. Para mailagay natin yun. And so it has a string here. Then so kailangan natin siyang ibalik dyan. Then dito and doon. So if you are a new technician, so you need to look first the the placement of every part of a printer. So take a picture of it or make a video on it on how you disassemble so that you have a guide on how you're going to reassemble it. So that's the best thing to do. So you have to be able to, put it down. Then, so let us remove this one because we are going to replace the flex cable. Then let us remove this screw here. Sorry. So, ganun talaga. Ganun talaga pag inuubo. So, habang gumagawa ako dito, gusto ko naman pasalamat din sa mga bagong subscriber na meron ako. So, salamat sa inyo, salamat sa tiwala, salamat sa lahat. So, sana marami pa yung mag-subscribe para patuloy natin patuloy tayong gumawa ng mga videos na makapatulong para sa inyo. So, yun lang yung inihiling ko din naman. So, more subscriber. So, tulungan nyo ako at tutulungan ko din naman kayo. So, ganun lang yan. Ano lang kasimple, So, tulungan na lang tayo. Kaya yung mga baguhan dyan, yung mga tumitingin, nag-review ng mga videos ko, so sana meron kayo natutunan at sana tulungan nyo din ako na dumami yung aking subscriber. So yun yung magiging dahilan para magpatuloy tayo sa ganitong mga vlog. So yun yung tulungan na lang tayo. So, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng mga gwapong technician. Alam ko, mas gwapo kayo sa akin. So, yun. So, subscribe naman. Kasi, mas gwapo na nga kayo sa akin. Tanggap ko naman yun na mas gwapo kayo sa akin. O, di ba? So, actually, medyo matagal na akong gumagawa ng printer, laptop, desktop, and so on and so on. So, hindi ko naisip na mag-video or mag-create na. So, nung nag-research lang ako, then napunta ako sa YouTube, so mayroong mga gumagawa ng videos, so that's why, eto, so gumawa din ako. So we are not after only profit online, but then we are after on how we solve the problem, help the other person, So we really need to do this just to help the other. So sometimes we do not ask for a payment if it is really easy. Then we don't have nothing to replace with, so we do not ask the money for it. But then if we replace something like this, so of course for us to be able to be, for us to be able to be a part of this kind of job, so we really need to ask a payment for a parts that we replace with. Okay, so yan. So binalik na natin yung flex cable niya. So asan na ba tayo? Nandito pa rin, hindi pa din tayo nakakalis dito. So ganun pa din. Okay, so balik na natin tong connection ng flex cable papunta sa board. So yan. Balik na natin siya. So kailangan mo dito maging careful. Dapat hindi matanggal yung kanyang plastic na nasa likod, yung blue, kasi siya yung mismo nag-hold yung blue. Ito. So mismo yung nag-hold ng flex cable para hindi siya masira. So yun yung purpose niya. Okay? So sa tingin ko, ganun pa din. Sa tingin ko lang, so balik na natin to. Then balik na natin yung tornels. Tornels here, the tornels here. So let's put it back. Here, the tornels. Okay. So that's very easy, Okay. Because it's really a brand new rubber, so it's hard to, maybe the printer would exert many effort just to move, just to let it move. Very painful. Oh, very nice. So mula dyan hanggang dito, kailangan na natin ibalik ito. Balik muna natin ito dito. So madali lang naman ito matutunan, guys. So kailangan nyo ng pasensya para magawa nyo ang bagay na ito. Pero kung mainitin yung ulo nyo, naku, painitin nyo pa ulit. Okay, so I think we have a problem here. And ito, so may problema tayo sa hose. So pwedeng ito siya. So broken hose tayo dito. So pwedeng dahil pa rin ito sa rats. So yung sayan natin, so meron siyang broken part that we really need to fix. kailangan natin i-fix yan para so ganyanin natin siya. So linisin muna natin. Then i-fix natin siya. So pwede naman kayo gumamit dito na tape. Maybe paper tape, electrical tape, or masking tape, or any tape. So, pwede natin yung ilagay dito para ma-seal natin ito. Kailangan mo nang linisin. So, dapat wala siyang liquid para yung tape na lalagay natin. So, totally talaga. Totally dumikit siya, no? So, wala akong tape. Ito lang yung tape na meron ako dito. Okay na din naman to. Diba? So, ba yung okay na to. Pwede na to. So, medyo maliit lang naman yung butas niya. So, kailangan lang naman natin i-seal yun. Para at least, hindi mag-overflow yung ink. So, yun yung kailangan natin gawin dyan. So, ganyan lang. So, alas walang problema yan dyan. So, kung dito yung problema, may butas siya. So, kailangan mo talaga palitan yung hose niya. Kasi, in the near future, yun yung magiging problema ng printer. Pero kung dyan sa parting niya, okay lang yun. Kasi hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw. So, dun kasi, gumagalaw talaga yun. So, bakit po? Kailangan ko ulit tanggalin ito. Kasi dapat mauna ito. Yan. Diyan. So, sabi na kasi yung nauna, ipapahuli. Yun nangyari ko na. So, pasensya na kung medyo mabagal akong pamilos na yan. Not feeling well, masarap na ulo ko. But then we really need to work because so umaasa yung nagpapaayos nito na maayos ang printer na kailangan natin gawin ito ngayon. So dapat kagabi pa to. And I think that's it. Let's put this one back on the line here. So balik na natin yung screw niya. So, pag naibalik na natin ito lahat, saka pa lang natin malalaman if there is another problem or any problem here. But then if this will work, so that's it. Maybe I think that's the only problem of this printer. Because a problem to Iran. That's why it's happened, Okay, so let's put this one back on. Okay, here. Then this one, the locks here. So that's the lock. Then this one, cover this part. Then the screw here, so it's just only a little small screw. This is a small screw for that part. And next, this one. Another this one, this part, but then you need to check the connections there. Okay, so we forgot to put this one back. So you really need a tweezer para maibalik yung mga nasa ilalim na parte. So, kailangan mo talaga ng tweezer. Mura lang naman yung tweezer. That is only 45 pesos online. Then, shipping of 75 pesos to 78 pesos. So, gawin nyo ng 4 yung bilhin nyo para hindi kayo lugi. So, 4 dapat. So, wala akong commercial. So, magko-commercial muna ako. Okay. So, actually, in order ko to online. Okay, so this portion was brought to you by Shopee Express. So, this Shopee is powered by Ninja One. Ninja One Express. Okay. So, ito yung ano natin, pyesa para sa printer na L255, L2, L5, 550, L550, and I almost forgot the other. Then L3110. So ito yung pyesa na binili natin. So hopefully yung mga L31 natin dito maayos na din. So yun. So dumating na siya. Then yan. So maybe on Saturday I will work for that. Then hopefully that those problems the printer we can be able to solve those problems. So mamaya mag-aayos tayo ng isang printer na napakaselan, totally napakalaki ng problema ng printer. So inuna ko muna kasi mas madali siyang gawin. This may maganda tayong nagawa ngayon. At least may natapos tayo. So hindi naman natin matapos yung printer na susunod. So at least ito meron tayong nagawa sa araw na to. Anyway, so if you have any question, you can add me on the Facebook. Then you can DM me or direct message on me so that I can answer all your queries. And maybe I can help you. I can send you a short video on how you're going to solve the problem of your printer. So, yun. Madaming nag-a-add friends sa akin din. Even at night, 11, 12 a.m. in the morning. So, we exchange a message just to solve the problem of a particular technician. Ano. So, yung mga nagtatanong sa akin. So, shout out nga pala sa inyo lahat. Ano. So, yung mga nagtatanong sa akin, napakalayo nyo. So, yung iba nasa Romblon, yung iba nasa Mindanao pa. And recently, sa kagabi lang, chat ko yung isang, I think that is coming from Masbate. I don't know. Masbate City, I think. So, somewhere. Or Catanduanes, I don't know. Then, yung mga nagmula din sa Russia, sa ibang parte ng mundo, so meron din natin na nagtatanong sa atin. So, shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Sana nakatulong ko sa inyo. Sana naintindihan niyo yung language namin. So, thank you so much for subscribing into my channel, for viewing all the videos that I've made. And so hope you like those videos and hope that would help you on how we're going to fix the problem with your printer. So this time we are going to test this printer, because I think we are done with replacing of those things that been damaged by Iraq. Let's plug in and let us power this one on. Power on. Okay. So the printer is now moving. So that is the first thing to do. So you don't have to open or turn on the printer if you know that it has a problem inside. If it has a broken parts, maybe damaged part, so all you have to do is to fix it first. So you don't have to turn it on. Maybe it will create another problem, then that small problem could be a big problem. Something like this. Okay, so what happened is that because we do not push down that part, so that's what happened. Okay, so let us turn it off, then push this one down here, then let's try to turn it on again. Okay, that's it. So that's the problem. Maybe if we do not double check the printer or those things that we remove or we adjust, so that's what would happen. But then that is normal. Okay, so this time we are going to have an output, so let's check if the output is very good. Then hopefully everything is okay on this printer, and so that I may not be able to extend my time for this printer just to fix the problem. Okay, so sana. Okay, so let's have a copy, colored copy for that, so that you can see the output. Okay, so the output is very good. The printer is really creating very good output here. Then we don't have a problem on the output. So maybe you can let the owner of this printer pick up this printer by tomorrow so that she can use this one. For some reason, I don't know. And I don't care. So that's all. We have now fixed the problem. Just only little bit of damage there, then just replace it, and so that's how we used to fix the problem, and how we disassemble the printer, then assemble it. Then we have a little bit of problem, then because we do not push it down, so that's why it's happened. Okay, so you need to think first before you do something. Then you know you can easily fix the problem if you know what to do. So all you have to do is to watch all those videos that have been made just for you. And if you want to be updated in all my videos to be uploaded soon, so you need to first subscribe on my channel. Second is that you need to click the notification bell and select all. So if you have any queries, just ask me. You can ask online. You can ask into the YouTube. You can leave your comments. Then I will answer your comment. Then if you want me to be a friend of yours into a Facebook, all you have to do is to add me into the Facebook and have a direct message on me. Then I will answer all the questions. Then I will give you a solution for the problems of your printer. Okay, so hopefully we are done with this, and thank you so much. Have a very good evening. Thank you so much. So this is your Sir Alden signing off. Thank you.